Hello again everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing an unboxing video. It is one of my favorite delivery days of the season, and that is FabFitFun Day. I really love getting these boxes in the mail because you really don't know what you're getting inside of them, and everything inside is full-size products. And I can't say that I've ever received a product in one of these boxes that I didn't like. So I'm super excited to show you guys what is inside, and I'm super excited to find out what is inside. So without further ado, let's get started. So for those who don't know much about FabFitFun, and let me preface this with, this video is not sponsored in any way, I just really enjoy these boxes. But in any case, so it is a seasonal subscription box that if you order when there's a promo code is anywhere between $40 and $50 per box. And I've had boxes that have had up to $400 worth of product inside. The products that come inside range from skincare to makeup to accessories, sometimes clothing, electronics. There's all kinds of stuff that come in these boxes. They do let you customize some pieces that are in the box every season. You'll get an email that'll say like customization is open, and they let you choose up to, I think, depending on your membership, I think it's up to 3 products that are inside, but you can also keep it as a surprise. It's totally up to you. They also have a marketplace on their website that if you are a member of FabFitFun and you subscribe to the boxes, there's a marketplace that has all kinds of products that are featured in these boxes and some that aren't featured in the boxes that are discounted at a very, very steep discount. And they always have sales going on that site. It's really awesome. So there are more perks than just getting the box itself. So now onto the box. Every box comes with a little magazine inside that talks about the different products, and say if you got a scarf in one box, for example, I don't really know what's in this box yet, I haven't looked. But for example, if you got a scarf, they would have an article on here of different ways to style that scarf. They do different interviews with different, designers or celebrities and so on and so forth. They also have a list inside of all the products that are inside your box and how much they're worth. Now granted, every box doesn't have the same products inside depending on the pieces that you customize. Also, there are some that it's kind of just at random what you get inside. So it does give you a list of everything that you will find in your box here. So I will read this off and how much it is worth as I go through the box. The boxes also come with a little coupon with a code on the back that if you have a friend that would like to sign up for a box, then you can pass this off to that friend and they can get a discount. This particular one is $15 off your first box. Also, in every box that I've received at least has come a HelloFresh coupon. Now HelloFresh is something that I already subscribe to. Me and my husband get those meals every week. It's just easier for us with our schedules, and everything is right there in front of us. We're not the best cooks, but let me tell you that these meals have us feeling like, superstar chefs. Some of these meals are so good. They give you all the ingredients that you need right in the box, and it has a recipe card that pretty much takes you through step by step. So the meals are infallible, if I can put it that way. This particular coupon is for 9 free meals, which is a lot. This is, depending on how many meals you get a week, is 2 or 3 weeks worth of meals, which is really awesome. I don't know. It's for new customers only, so it's not something that I can use, but I'll definitely be passing this off to a friend. So first things first, the first product I'm going to show you is this Bluetooth shower speaker from ban.do. How cute. So this was actually one of the customizable products that you could pick for your box. I chose this product because this was something that I thought was cool. I can just stick it to my wall in the shower and listen to music while I shower. So like I said, it sticks right to the wall in your shower by the suction cup. The design is really cute. It comes with the charging cord, and this This is just so cute. I'm actually really excited. So just to read you the description of this shower speaker, it says, showering just got way more fun. Use the water-resistant speaker to blast and sing along to your favorite tunes at up to a 32-foot range. And this speaker itself is worth $30. So if you think about it, if you pay $50 for this box, this is half of what you just paid for, and there's so much more in this box. So the next thing we have here is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, which is really cool. My hair gets very knotty. This is from Drybar. I haven't tried any Drybar products, but I've always heard great things about it, so I'm really excited to try this out. Now this detangler is a product that it says comes in every box, and it is the Drybar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and leave hair soft and conditioned. Then this is worth $23. And this next product is another one that I customized and chose to be in my box. It is the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rodial. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm really excited to try it. It is Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer, and it says here, glow on. These drops are formulated to brighten the complexion and provide a radiant priming base for makeup application. So I knew that I needed primer. I'm running out of what I have now, so I figured this was a good opportunity to try something new when it came around to customization. So I chose this. This is worth $55, so again, that's really awesome. You're getting more here than you paid for this entire box, so that's really cool. Next we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. It says condition and restore. I really like Kate Somerville products. I haven't purchased anything in a very long time though, so I'm excited to try this out. It says, made with lactose from goat's milk, jojoba, and avocado, this gentle formula instantly absorbs into the skin for a healthy glow. And this right here is worth $65. I'm excited to try this. Her packaging is always so cute too. I love this color. It smells good. Really cute. There's a lot in here too. It's filled to the brim. This is also a customizable product in the box, but I'm pretty sure this was along some other products that I really don't want to choose, so I just clicked surprise me, so this is what I got. Next we have Ahava Dead Sea Salt Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts. This bag here. I've never tried a product like this, so I'm excited to see how this works. It says here, immerse yourself in the Dead Sea's healing waters in the comfort of your own bath. The minerals help ease muscle tension and leave you with soft skin, and it's worth $16. So I'm excited to try this. We actually have one of those jacuzzi tubs in our house that I feel like I don't get as much use out of as I should, so this is the perfect opportunity to give me an excuse to use that tub. And this product is for select members, so if you have the highest membership with FabFitFun, you can customize the entire box. If you don't have that membership, which I don't, I just have the regular membership, then they choose the item for you. So some people may have this in their box, some may not. And next we have the Nails Inc London Thirsty Hand Super Hydrating Hand Mask. This is really cool. I've never tried a hand mask before, so I'm excited to try this out. It says, these gloves feature a blend of plant extract, shea butter, and vitamin E to instantly smooth and rejuvenate dry hands, which is perfect considering it is the winter time, and I feel like I definitely have dry hands. I don't know what it is when I clean my house or use different cleaning products and stuff like that. My hands just get very dry. So I'm excited to try this. I think I'll really love it. And as far as this item goes, this says it is one of FabFitFun's picks, which means they will choose a product that they think that you will love. It is between this and one other product that says it is a Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. So if you didn't get that, you may have gotten that other product. It all depends on the luck of the draw, I guess. Next we have an Original Pink Makeup Eraser. Super cool. This is a product that comes in every box. I I love these makeup erasers. I have a few, but truly you can never have too many of them. The ones that I have are getting kind of old, so I think I'll switch this out. These are great because sometimes you don't even have to use any product on it. You just wet it and it takes off your makeup like a magic eraser, which is so cool. This comes in every box, like I said. It says from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. It is worth $20. And the best part about these is that it is reusable, so then you're not constantly using, you know, the makeup remover wipes or the cotton pads if you use micellar water, depending on what you use. So I love anything that's reusable. And lastly, how cute is this? It is a 2020 planner from Paper Source. I love planners. I don't know why. I'm just weird like that, but I really love getting planners. I'm a very organized person. I like writing things and having them in front of me so that I know that I'm keeping myself on track, if that makes sense. It says that this Paper Source 12-month Rose Floral Planner. Keep track of all your appointments, to-do lists, and assignments in this planner, which includes monthly and weekly views, and it is worth $27.95. The print is super cute, and I love the layout. It's got a month view, and it's got a nice weekly view. This is really cool. I like this. So all in all, I'm really excited with what came in this month's box. It says here that the total value of the boxes this season range anywhere from $211 to $345.99. My particular box ended up at $252.95, which is awesome considering I only paid $50 for this box. Like I said, every box is different depending on what you customize and what FabFitFun decided was the best option for you. When you sign up for these boxes, you actually take a quiz, so that when you go through this quiz, it asks you different lifestyle questions, and basically when it comes to them choosing the items for your box, they go back to that quiz and they gather information from your answers, and that way they are able to choose what they think you will like best for your box. I will leave a link in the description below so that you can sign up if you are interested. I will also go and try and find the latest promo code for, you know, $10 or $15 off your first box, and I will leave that in the description below as well so that you can take advantage of that promo code. And yeah. So if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified of any time that I post. Make sure you follow my blog at unbreakablebliss.com and follow me on social media at bricutter. And if you like these unboxing videos, please let me know. I will do more if you end up liking them. And if you have any subscription boxes that you think I should check out, please let me know that as well, and I'd be more than happy to check them out. So until next time, see you guys.